Security is no longer optional in embedded systems. Warning signs that you need to pay more attention to security include the following. First, and perhaps most obviously, if you do not have a written security plan, that's a problem. Another warning sign is that your product design assumes that you will have perfect security, because there really is no such thing as perfect security. Finally, a warning sign is when designers make unrealistic security assumptions, such as assuming that a device with an Ethernet port will never ever be connected to the internet. That's just not realistic in most cases. In this tutorial, I'll discuss the why, what, and how involved in planning for security. Topics that should be in the plan include: why is security important to your system? This includes which aspects of security matter the most to you and which aspects are really important for your particular application. Also, what types of attacks do you expect? This includes the mechanics of the attack as well as what type of attackers you expect to actually be interested in your system. Finally, how can you mitigate the risk? And if you do attempt to mitigate the risk, how do you know that you're actually succeeding at doing so? A good security plan contains the following elements: a discussion of security requirements, an analysis of expected threats, an analysis of likely system vulnerabilities, plans to mitigate security threats and vulnerabilities, and finally, a plan to validate that mitigation has been successful, which has to include lifecycle monitoring of emergent threats and vulnerabilities.